Introduction. The world of wellness and alternative medicine has been buzzing with excitement over the potential benefits of CBD oil. In this section, we will dive into the fascinating realm of CBD, short for cannabidiol, and explore its interaction with our body's endocannabinoid system. The endocannabinoid system is a complex network of receptors found throughout our bodies that helps regulate various bodily functions, such as pain perception, mood, appetite, sleep, and immune response. It plays a crucial role in maintaining balance and overall well-being. CBD oil works by interacting with the endocannabinoid system to promote balance and support its natural functions. Unlike its cousin THC, tetrahydrocannabinol, CBD does not have psychoactive properties and will not induce a high. Instead, it offers a range of potential therapeutic benefits for those seeking natural alternatives. One notable benefit of CBD oil is its potential to alleviate pain. Many people turn to CBD as an alternative to traditional pain management methods due to its reported anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown promising results in using CBD oil for managing chronic pain associated with conditions like arthritis or multiple sclerosis. In addition to pain relief, CBD oil has gained recognition for its potential anxiety-reducing effects. Anxiety disorders affect millions worldwide, causing distressing symptoms that can significantly impact daily life. Preliminary research suggests that CBD may help reduce anxiety by influencing serotonin receptors in the brain responsible for regulating mood. Another area where CBD shows promise is improving sleep quality. Sleep deprivation is a widespread issue affecting countless individuals globally. By promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety levels, some users claim that incorporating CBD into their wellness routine has led to improved sleep patterns and overall restfulness. As with any supplement or medication, it's important to be aware of possible side effects and take necessary precautions when using CBD oil. While generally considered safe for most individuals, common side effects may include dry mouth, nausea, fatigue, or changes in appetite. It is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating CBD oil into your routine, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are taking other medications. In conclusion, CBD oil offers an intriguing avenue for those seeking alternative approaches to wellness. Its interaction with the endocannabinoid system may promote balance and potentially provide therapeutic benefits such as pain relief, anxiety reduction, and improved sleep. As we explore this topic further in our video, we encourage readers to do their own research and consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice on incorporating CBD oil into their wellness routines. Exploring the endocannabinoid system and its role in regulating various bodily functions. The human body is a complex system that constantly works to maintain balance and wellness. One crucial player in this intricate network is the endocannabinoid system, ECS. The ECS is responsible for regulating various bodily functions, such as mood, appetite, sleep, pain perception, and immune response. CBD oil interacts with the ECS to promote balance and enhance overall well-being. By targeting receptors within the ECS, CBD triggers a series of chemical reactions that help restore equilibrium in the body. It acts like a gentle conductor guiding our physiological symphony back into harmony. The potential therapeutic benefits of CBD oil are vast. Many individuals seek out CBD for its ability to provide natural relief from pain. Whether it's chronic discomfort or everyday soreness from physical activity, CBD has been shown to alleviate inflammation and reduce discomfort without harsh side effects. In addition to pain relief, CBD oil also holds promise in reducing anxiety levels. Anxiety disorders affect millions worldwide, causing persistent worry and interfering with daily life. Studies suggest that CBD might help manage anxiety by influencing serotonin receptors in the brain involved in mood regulation. Moreover, those struggling with sleep issues may find solace in incorporating CBD oil into their routine. Insomnia affects countless individuals who struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep throughout the night. Research indicates that CBD may have sedative properties that encourage relaxation and promote better quality sleep. As we delve deeper into understanding the remarkable capabilities of CBD oil within our body's intricate systems, it becomes evident why more people are turning to this natural remedy for support on their wellness journeys. Real-life success stories. CBD oil has gained popularity in recent years for its potential therapeutic benefits. Many individuals have reported positive experiences and real-life success stories after incorporating CBD oil into their wellness routines. One notable success story involves a woman named Sarah who had been struggling with chronic pain for years. She tried various conventional treatments without much relief, but when she started using CBD oil, she noticed a significant reduction in her pain levels. Not only did it provide relief from her discomfort, but it also allowed her to regain her mobility and enjoy a more active lifestyle. Another success story comes from John, who had been dealing with anxiety and stress-related sleep issues for a long time. After trying different remedies with limited results, he decided to give CBD oil a try. To his surprise, the regular use of CBD oil helped him feel calmer throughout the day and improved his sleep quality at night. As a result, he felt more focused during the day and experienced an overall improvement in his mood and well-being. These are just two examples of the many real-life success stories that highlight the potential benefits of CBD oil. While everyone's experience may vary, these anecdotes demonstrate how CBD oil can positively impact individuals' lives by providing relief from pain, reducing anxiety levels, improving sleep patterns, and promoting an overall sense of well-being. It is important to note that while these success stories offer promising insights into the potential benefits of CBD oil usage, individual results may vary. It is always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new supplement or treatment into your wellness routine. In conclusion, real-life success stories demonstrate how CBD oil has made a difference in people's lives by alleviating symptoms and enhancing their overall well-being. These personal testimonials serve as inspiration for those considering integrating CBD oil into their own wellness routines as part of a holistic approach to self-care. Possible side effects and precautions. CBD oil is generally considered safe for most people, but like any other supplement or medication, it does come with potential side effects and precautions that should be taken into consideration. One of the most commonly reported side effects of CBD oil is dry mouth. This occurs because CBD interacts with the endocannabinoid system, which regulates saliva production. While this symptom may seem minor, it's important to stay hydrated and drink plenty of water when using CBD oil. Another possible side effect is drowsiness or fatigue. Some individuals may experience a feeling of relaxation or sleepiness after taking CBD oil. It's advisable to avoid operating heavy machinery or driving while under the influence of CBD if you experience these symptoms. In rare cases, CBD oil can cause changes in appetite and weight. Some users have reported an increase in appetite while others have experienced a decrease. These changes are usually temporary and subside over time. It's important to note that CBD can interact with certain medications, so it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating CBD oil into your routine if you take prescription medications. Additionally, pregnant or breastfeeding women should exercise caution when considering the use of CBD oil as there is limited research available on its safety during pregnancy or lactation. To ensure your safety and minimize potential risks, it's always recommended to start with a low dosage of CBD oil and gradually increase if necessary. This allows you to gauge how your body responds to the supplement and helps identify any adverse reactions that may occur. In conclusion, while generally well tolerated by most individuals, it's important to be aware of possible side effects associated with CBD oil usage. By taking necessary precautions such as staying hydrated and consulting with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplementation regimen, you can safely incorporate CBD oil into your wellness routine. Conclusion. In conclusion, CBD oil has emerged as a promising natural remedy with potential therapeutic benefits. Throughout this video, we explored the fascinating role of the endocannabinoid system in regulating various bodily functions and how CBD interacts with it to promote balance and wellness. One of the key takeaways is that CBD oil may offer relief from pain, anxiety, and sleep issues. Many individuals have reported real-life success stories where they experienced significant improvements in their overall well-being after incorporating CBD oil into their daily routine. However, it is important to consider possible side effects and take necessary precautions when using CBD oil. While research suggests that CBD is generally well tolerated, some individuals may experience minor side effects such as dry mouth or drowsiness. It's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. To summarize, CBD oil holds promise as a natural alternative for those seeking relief from various ailments. Its potential benefits extend beyond traditional medicine, offering a holistic approach to wellness. We encourage readers to further research about CBD oil and its potential uses while keeping an open dialogue with their healthcare provider for personalized advice. Remember, everyone's journey towards optimal health is unique, so explore your options thoughtfully and make informed decisions based on reliable information. Incorporating CBD oil into your wellness routine could be a step towards achieving balance and improved quality of life. Recap and benefits of CBD oil. Throughout this video, we have explored the fascinating world of CBD oil and its potential benefits for overall wellness. Let's recap some of the key points we discussed. CBD oil interacts with the endocannabinoid system in our bodies, which plays a crucial role in regulating various bodily functions. By promoting balance within this system, CBD can help support our overall well-being. One significant benefit of incorporating CBD oil into your wellness routine is its potential to provide pain relief. Many individuals have reported experiencing reduced discomfort and improved mobility after using CBD oil. Whether you suffer from chronic pain or occasional muscle soreness, CBD oil may offer a natural alternative worth considering. Another area where CBD oil shows promise is anxiety reduction. Studies suggest that CBD may help alleviate symptoms associated with anxiety disorders, such as social anxiety or generalized anxiety disorder. It does so by interacting with receptors in the brain responsible for regulating stress responses, helping individuals feel calmer and more relaxed. Furthermore, if you struggle with sleep issues like insomnia or irregular sleep patterns, CBD oil might be able to help improve your sleep quality. Some users have reported falling asleep faster, staying asleep longer, and feeling more refreshed upon waking up after incorporating CBD into their nighttime routine. It's important to note that while many people find relief through using CBD oil, individual results may vary. As with any supplement or treatment option, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting anything new. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health needs and medications you may be taking. In conclusion, integrating high-quality CBD oil into your wellness regimen could potentially offer a range of benefits including pain relief, anxiety reduction, and enhanced sleep quality. However, it is always advised to do further research and seek guidance from medical professionals who are familiar with your unique circumstances for tailored recommendations. Remember, when it comes to making decisions about your health and well-being, knowledge is power. Take the time to educate yourself, consult with experts, and make informed choices that align with your personal needs and goals. Let's continue our exploration of CBD oil and its potential for unlocking a healthier and more balanced life.